What's up, guys? Alex here with Lead Hackers. So I have some complicated and arguably not so good news. It involves Congress and the FCC and mobile carriers like Verizon and AT&T and you. It's something called A2P 10DLC registration. Basically, there's been a huge surge in spam calls and texts in the United States, and Congress kept asking the phone carriers to do something about it. And the phone carriers were like, yeah, we'll do something about it, and never did. So Congress decided to implement regulations, and A2P and 10DLC is a result of that. So the carriers have built a network that is just for businesses sending out mass text messages from software applications. The way this works is there's an initial registration process and a registration fee. The fee itself can range anywhere from $50 to $5, and depending on how many text messages you want to send out is going to dictate which registration you use. Now, if you're sending out texts for an entire company or an entire branch, then you probably should opt for the $50 registration fee to be safe. But if you're a loan officer or a realtor sending out texts on your own, then opt for the $5 registration fee. Then you will have to register your campaign, which is a $16 fee. Pretty sick, right? In all seriousness, it's kind of like taxes. No one actually wants to pay them, but you have to. If you don't, you can't send out text campaigns. Once you are registered, you will be assigned a reputation score. And that score basically says that you're legit, you're a real company, and you're allowed to be sending text messages through the carriers. After the one-time fees to register your phone number and your campaign, you're going to be charged a $12 per month fee to stay registered, and then after that, there is a per text message cost that is a penny per text message. So despite all the fees, the worst part about this A2P registration is that it is a tedious and complicated process that involves filling out a bunch of forms and making sure that all of your text campaigns are compliant. The good news is that you don't have to do any of that. We do all of that for you. In fact, my team is working right now on the back end to register you as a user and register all of your campaigns through compliance. We'll have your application submitted within a few hours, but for regulators to review your application, that could take anywhere from a few days up to a few weeks. I know, it's awesome. So sit tight, and if you want to check on it in a few days, simply click on settings in the lower left-hand corner and then click phone number. I'll see you guys in the next video.